Are you looking for a way to notify sales reps instantly when hot leads fill out a form on your website? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set this up effectively without wasting any time. Stick around because I'll even share a free trial of the software we're using, exclusive to viewers of this channel. First things first. The reason this is so important is that you don't want your leads to go cold while your sales reps are scrambling to get the information. The quicker they know when a hot lead comes in, the faster they can reach out, turning those opportunities into sales. Now let's dive into how to set up these instant notifications. You'll need a tool or software that allows you to automate the process. While many solutions exist, I've tested the most popular ones, and I've found a standout option that integrates seamlessly with your forms and CRM. I'll link it below with an exclusive free trial for you to follow along. Step 1. Connect your lead capture form to the software. Whether you're using something like Google Forms, a contact form on your website, or any form plugin, you'll want to integrate that form into the software. Most good software has simple step-by-step instructions or even direct integrations with platforms like WordPress or Shopify. Step 2. Once your form is connected, set up a trigger for when someone fills out the form. In our software, you can create a hot lead rule where the trigger is based on specific criteria. For example, if the form is filled out by someone who meets certain characteristics like budget range or urgency, that's a hot lead. Step 3. Now that you've set the trigger, it's time to configure notifications. With our software, you can easily choose how to notify your sales team. You can opt for instant email alerts, text messages, or even app notifications. I recommend using multiple methods to ensure your team sees it immediately. Step 4. If you want to take it a step further, you can set up automated workflows that assign the lead to a specific sales rep based on availability or expertise. This can also be done through the software we're using, and it ensures that the right person gets to the lead at the right time. Step 5. Finally, test your setup. Fill out the form yourself to see how quickly the notifications are sent and if everything works as expected. You want to make sure that the sales reps get the information they need without any delay. One key takeaway from this video is that speed is critical when handling hot leads. Setting up instant notifications is a simple way to ensure your sales reps are always on top of new opportunities. To recap, connect your form to the software, set up your triggers based on lead quality, configure instant notifications, and test everything to ensure it works. Don't forget, I've left an exclusive free trial link in the description for you to try the software we use today. It's only available for viewers of this channel, so grab it while you can. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit that link below to get started with the software.